अनजानी राहें है अनजाने मंजिल, जाने कहाँ कल को ले जाए ये दिल। किस मोड़ पर किस्मत मिले, चेहरे पे चाहत लिए चल दिए, चल दिए। जिंदगी को गले से लगाने चल दिए, चल दिए। न सोचा न समझा न बूझा, बस चल दिए।
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to और बता and my name is Sid and देखो मेरे सामने कौन बैठा है. The first celebrity. I told everyone celebrities भी आएंगे इस channel पे. Amit is the first one here, so congratulations on that. But just to let you guys know, Amit Sana, you might have heard his voice in so many different songs. He was a runner-up of Indian Idol 1, season 1, and I've always been rooting for him ever since. This happened in 2004, as Amit just confirmed. And I was a very young kid, and I used to root for Amit even then. कि भाई Amit ही जीतना चाहिए. So I mean, this is a personal achievement even for me to be sort of doing this interview with you. Thanks a lot for that, man.
Pleasure is all mine, bro. Pleasure is mine.
So Amit, just to cut to it, tell people how we sort of cross paths.
So I guess, yeah, I'll again mention that that we actually haven't met yet. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, last year it was, which event it was?
Last year था. I think
Last
December
year,
या November.
December,
नहीं.
December, I guess. Yeah, it was December. So it was an event in Mumbai. So
Bombay.
yeah, a corporate event. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not able to recall the specific details, but yeah, I actually thought ki let's have a nice some person who can manage it all. And yeah, luckily we knew each other since we were like on touch through Messenger, right?
I think we were on Messenger, Instagram, one of those things. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess, yeah. So UCK through we were in touch, and then suddenly I thought that maybe, let's give it a try. It was like just an instinct, I'll say, a very instinctive thing that I thought ki, let's get associated. So
I think
that's how it was interesting.
I think उस event पे even this Mukesh Pancholi and all were there ना. कौन था उस event पे?
Mukesh was there, and there was one more artist in that event. Yeah, Pooja was there.
Okay, cool. It was the first of a kind platform. ठीक है. So I'm उसके पहले even with your singing career you had certain plans, but Indian Idol आया, how did it change? Like how did it sort of catalyze your process?
I think it was a huge platform. I mean, it was an unexpected a platform for anyone. We never knew. No one of us knew that it will be so big. We were like, it was what do you say? We were also discovering it step by step. How big it is, how big it might become. Even I think the people, the production house or the channel even didn't know that it will get so big. It might become so big in India. It was a big show, anyways. Abroad also, it was like in other countries, it was pretty popular. But it was an experiment kind of a thing, and I guess people really got hooked onto it. And the rest everything is history. Yeah. So in terms of that, everyone who was associated with the show, I think got rewarded abundantly. So we were on, like, I was lucky enough to stay till the end in the show, and yes, to get all that coverage and all that media exposure. So huge it was for a small town of a guy like me, coming from a very small city, and coming to Mumbai for the very first time, and experiencing all this media attention. And it was mind boggling, I must say, the whole cultural thing, like the difference, and the kind of attention we used to get, and even after that. So the whole life, there is no, you cannot express this in words. Actually, this is a
Mm-hmm.
very powerful experience. Anyone who will experience it will only be able to, understand it properly.
Yeah.
This is like one of those very life changing moments of anyone. I mean, I don't want to be don't want to sound overconfident or something, or maybe um, but honestly, things that we have seen during the first season, being the first season participants, contestants of Indian Idol 1, or on that matter, any and compare it to any other reality show, what we have seen, like I think very few others might have experienced it. That
Because तुम लोग
that scale.
हाँ, because तुम लोग का पहला reality show था in general, not just a singing show, was kind of like the first reality show in general,
हाँ,
है ना?
ऐसा था,
ऐसे ही
correct,
था
हाँ.
तुम लोग का. That's awesome, man. But I mean, help me out. Like that time, the industry, at least for vocalists, was very different as compared to what it is now. अभी काफी
Yeah,
alternate
true,
singers आ गए
true,
हैं.
true.
A lot of newer styles and fusions coming into the play. What's the difference according to you? Like, and where does everyone, like, what is everyone's niche? Like, you've created your own niche. I'm pretty sure about that. So
डिफरेंस बहुत था. एक चीज आपको मैं बताऊं कि पहली बात तो जो बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है, और सोचते हैं कि क्या होता है रियलिटी शोज में जो आते हैं. फिर आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू डिफेंड माई सेल्फ और एनी अदर person, like who's been into a reality show, and I'm not trying to defend anyone, but I'm trying to say that there are so many things that you experience after you come to a platform like this. Anything that we do, any direction that we take, has its own struggles and hurdles and those kind of things. You have to discover a lot of things about yourself, discover a lot of things about which we never knew existed. So I'll say that when you come to a reality show, and talking about that period of time, it was like हम सोनू जी को सुनते थे, हम शान को सुनते थे, अभी भी सुनते हैं. So singers were limited, and people were accustomed to listening to only few voices, one or two, three voices. वही फिल्मों में गाते थे, और पूरी फिल्मों के गाने लगभग एक ही सिंगर गा जाता था, ऐसा होता था.
yes.
बहुत कम ऑप्शंस होते थे उस समय. उसके बाद फिर हम लोग आए तो we had an open like following and everything, and acceptability also. Problem was, we never knew how to sing in front of the mic. That's a different experience altogether.
Right.
It's very different experience. How we singing on a reality show in front of judges, and and I will say one more thing, that in a reality show, it does happen that people get appreciated more than they are supposed to. तारीफ थोड़ी ज्यादा होती है, because it's a reality show. अगर थोड़ा बहुत exaggerate नहीं करेंगे तो फिर वो शो कैसे बनेगा. एक
True.
छोटा ड्रामा एलिमेंट तो डालना ही पड़ता है. It cannot be
True.
a subtle kind of an entertainment. So
Yeah.
that is there. So उससे ये लोगों को भी एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ती थी. लगता था कि अब तो जो निकलेंगे यहाँ से, वो तो दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी जो है वो उनकी तरक्की होगी, हर फिल्म में गाने आएंगे और ये सब होगा, क्योंकि ऐसी बातें बोली जाती हैं रियलिटी शोज में. So हमारे वक्त में भी बोली गई, तो लोग एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ी. बट the reality, the fact remains that when you are up to a job, you should know how to do that job. So if you are thinking of going into a playback singing industry, you want to lend your voice for a movie or something, you need to know you need to understand the character. You need to understand how what music director wants. The technicalities of singing on a mic, on a mic, extremely sensitive mic, which can capture each and every flaw of your voice. So that is not an ordinary mic. That is not like singing on a phone. It is a very different thing altogether. So those things, to learn those things, it does take time. Like we had that chance, everyone else along with me had that chance, Rahul had that chance, Abhijit had that chance, everyone had that chance. But it is all about experience, and this is a kind of experience which cannot be ये experience overnight नहीं आता है. It takes a lot of time, a lot of years it takes. That's why how when we see a singer coming up, a good singer singing good songs, and हम देखते हैं किसी को अच्छा करते हुए, तो उसके पीछे कई सालों की मेहनत होती है. ऐसे अचानक आके you don't start getting songs. उसके पीछे कई सालों की मेहनत होती है, उसके बाद आपको समझ में आती है. हमें वो मौका भी थोड़ा कम मिला, because when we came out of the show, we were like super popular and all. So we were already engaged with contracts and a lot of assignments already. So it took a like 4-5-6 साल उसी में कहीं निकल गए, to carry on with that phase. It was fun, it was super fun. But वही चीज थी कि जो उस समय की प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए थी, काइंड ऑफ आई से वो चाहते हुए भी वो हुआ नहीं. तो बोलते हैं कि every the grass is always greener on the other side, we say that. तो आपको एक चीज मिलती है तो एक चीज दूर भी होती है. both the things are there. Now in the case of अरिजीत, I'll say, अगर अरिजीत बोलो या और भी बहुत सारे सिंगर्स रहे जो बाद में रियलिटी शोज में आए, तो बाद में अब वो लोगों के नाम, वो लोगों ने बड़ा नाम किया. They did very well. But उनको what advantage was there which they thought कि उनके साथ गलत हुआ, या they got voted out or something, but that worked for them. You got voted out, they got voted out, they had good voice, but they didn't have the pressure of performing in front of people immediately. They didn't have the pressure of going for shows or perform, doing things for channel, or this kind of work they didn't have. They had all the time in the world to explore themselves, to ready themselves to do that struggle that is needed to become a better singer, to gain that experience. So that worked for them. So yeah, I mean, though I'm happy that whatever I got, or whatever we my friends got, this love, this this adulation, I'm like, yeah, this is incomparable.
Because I feel like you, at least you, okay, you went through different phases of even like the way you developed your singing. Like I just spoke about 2 songs that I really love of yours. One of them is Yadein, the other one's Chal Diye. These are singles by you. I just feel that the process behind those 2 songs would be so vastly different. And you would attest to the fact that as and when someone progresses, वो maturity level बढ़ जाती है चीजों में. So I mean, okay. So just to let everyone know, what is the process behind creating a song? Like, जब दिमाग में कोई धुन आती है या कुछ lyrics आ जाते हैं, how do you go about it? Like, what is your experience been?
I'll say there is no process. Process is there. It's a ongoing process, every second, every minute. If you want to be a creative artist, you have to keep observing every minute, every second of your life. That's it, and it is not exhausting. It is very interesting. Only thing is that you need to have a love for life, love for things that are going on in your surrounding. You should not be totally बोलते हैं ना, सिर्फ अपने आप की तरफ ही आपका पूरा ध्यान रहेगा, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, स्केड्यूल बना के हर चीज चलना. दैट इज अ गुड थिंग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, बट नॉर्मली फॉर एन आर्टिस्ट, being an artist is a difficult thing, but you have to observe a lot. Observing things takes a lot of time. You cannot schedule those things that मैं 6 से 8 तक ऑब्जर्व करूंगा, 8 से 10 तक ये करूंगा और वैसा करूंगा. It's an ongoing process. So your mind keeps learning, your mind keeps learning very minute things, and so उसी से creative चीजें निकलती हैं. You get, it's a zone basically. You have to be in that zone, and the tune comes automatically. You feel happy or something, and suddenly you take up your guitar and something nice comes up. But suddenly if you feel that one fine day that okay, I'm gonna create a hit song today, it will not come. होगा ही नहीं. Okay, it's a very natural thing. It flows out, and for that to happen more often, you need to understand the subtle aspects of it. You need to appreciate a lot. You need to appreciate God's creation. You need to go out. You need to stay away from all the distractions. Like you need to stop hanging out with people. You need to stop बोलते हैं ना वो entertainment और all this, वो जो regular चीजें होती है, टीवी देखना या फिर दोस्तों के साथ अड्डेबाजी करना, वो सब चीजों से थोड़ा दूर होना पड़ता है. Only then you can think of creating something, and this goes for every creative artist in the world. That's why creative people are very lonely people. They are very they stay secluded most of the time because they're observing things, and it's better to observe things from a distance. Better perspective milta hai. The moment you get closer to people or something, you become engaged with them. Then you cannot see the those that bird's eye view जो बोलते हैं ना, I don't know what the right word or something, दूर से देखकर किसी चीज को ऑब्जर्व करना उसकी नेचुरलिटी में, without interacting with that thing, when that thing, that person, when that thing or that person is in its natural self, without interacting with you, so that is when the true nature comes out.
That's awesome. So, like, what about the lyrics? Were they inspired by some, like, personal events? ऐसे कुछ?
Lyrics are again same process, but एक चीज है कि जैसे म्यूजिक हो गया, म्यूजिक इज लाइक, जैसे ये सब तो चीजें मैंने आपको बताई, ये चीजों से एक माइंड तैयार होता है, दिमाग तैयार होता है, बट प्रैक्टिस भी होती है. अब मैं अच्छा म्यूजिक सुनना, लिसनिंग टू गुड आर्टिस्ट ऑल द टाइम, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, and practicing singing, knowing how, having some knowledge about musical notes and some knowledge of music on a technical level will help you create something nice. It will help for sure. If you cannot sing or you have no knowledge of music, then you cannot create a song. You cannot sing all. So same thing goes for lyrics. For lyrics, it's like you need to write, you need to know, like अच्छी poetry पढ़ना, या ये सारी चीजों से तैयारी होती है. Then your mind starts functioning. जो भी अंदर है, that emotion will get a direction, proper direction, maybe through lyrics or maybe through music, like through tune or something, so वो चीज एक होती है. तो first you need to have some reference material, good reference material. Secondly, you should have that passion inside you. You should have love towards it. You should be able to engage into it for hours and hours and hours without getting exhausted. And exhaustion will you will not get exhausted only when you have that interest for it. That is true. So that is the creative process.
यार, अरे मस्त है. बट अच्छा, थ्रू ऑल दिस अभी इतना कुछ हुआ, इंडियन आइडल, आई डोंट नो, 15 years 16 years down the line, any funny story, anything that you woke up one day be like, यार ये मैंने expect नहीं किया था but मस्त चीज हो गई, any such thrilling stories for us?
A lot of funny thing keeps happening on a very daily basis. It's not that it doesn't happen. पोपट बोलते हैं जिसको हम, वो तो होता रहता है आए दिन कुछ ना कुछ, किसी ना किसी चीज में, काम में.
What have you been confused for, या ऐसे कुछ है, like people have thought you're someone else, ऐसे कुछ, something of that sort?
हाँ, ऐसी चीजें होती रहती हैं. I mean, like one such a very common thing that happens is 10 लोग आते हैं, 10 लोग 12 लोग ऑटोग्राफ लेते हैं, तो वो बाद में एक और 2-3 लोग और आ जाते हैं, उनको देखते कि he must be someone important, इसका सब लोग ऑटोग्राफ ले रहे हैं, फोटो खिंचा रहे हैं. 4-5 फोटो खिंचवा चुका होता है बंदा, उसका पूछता है सर आपका नाम क्या है.
अरे guys, the Amit Sana, अरे क्या तुम? I think your fan following is like much more with like my generation. Like I think like 90s kids now will know you much better. That is something that I'm most definite with. Like that's probably the fan base you've got right now.
90s, 80s is like my time. So people who were like in I'll say even someone who was studying in, like you said, you were in 4th standard when this show came. So yeah, I mean, तो या 4th में था या जो 5th में था, एक्चुअली जो 9th 10th में थे उस टाइम के, so for them it was like a super popular show.
Yes.
So yeah, people were like 7th 8th onwards, the kids become active na, they become, the mind grows. And
उस टाइम पे I don't think internet, at least in India, was इतना जोरों शोरों से कुछ था खास. I think that whole digitization,
no, it was not there, इतना था भी नहीं, कुछ नहीं था इतना. YouTube was in its early age, क्या बोलते हैं, YouTube was in dark ages in India that time.
हो सकते हैं, you're right. So this is cool, yeah. So are you still in touch with these guys from Indian Idol season 1? Are you still talking to them? You guys still hang out? Friend circle अच्छा बना? What is it?
Yeah, we keep meeting once in a while, though it is not that often now, as we all keep busy with our own things. और तो वो चीजें जैसे पहले होता था, धीरे धीरे अलग हो जाता है, because everyone has their own family and things to attend to. So वो चीज नहीं हो पाती. But yeah, once in a while we do catch up, we do meet up, and we.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Because like the other day, I think yesterday only this happened. One of the pages had brought Abhijit on for a concert. You are also doing some concert or something during the quarantine?
Yeah, I'm also doing that on a, like, every 2-3 days I'm going live, I guess.
Any words of wisdom for any future aspiring vocalists, singers coming into the scene? What is your mantra to success? How would you guide people here? क्योंकि I'll tell you something. At one point of time, maybe I was also aspiring कि किसी दिन हम गाएंगे. So that was the whole intent of me watching Indian Idol season was like एक दिन तो यार बनता है यार इधर जाना. Like let's have a go. And I never really got a chance to. But I mean, what's the takeaway for people here?
The path that I have decided to take after all these years of understanding is I feel that patience is the key, observing is the key, understanding yourself, and art is not a. When people think of it as a career kind of an option, it's not career, it's life. So if you can consider art as your life and you can just devote yourself to it, that is how you're going to get it. You know, like you have to become a better person. Okay, it's you have to be dedicated towards your art in terms of your practice and you know, and be a good person and observe things very minutely. Praise God. Most important thing is that understanding yourself as a person, ourselves, taking time for ourselves, and भागने से नहीं होता है. You know, anyone cannot become an artist by
Yes.
continuously you know, like ये marathon what do you say, like 100-meter race नहीं है. It's a marathon. You have to keep walking or whatever you say, like, but you cannot stop. You have to continuously walk, and you also need to know that you need to take rest. You need to, you know, be what to say, अपने साथ भी आपको थोड़ा सा प्यार रखना बहुत जरूरी है. You cannot abuse yourself.
True.
Too much expectation is not good.
Yeah.
Give it time, love, and effort. That is how it's going to be. It's like you are gardening. You know, like you cannot make the flower. You know, एक दिन में फूल नहीं आएगा. It's a slow process.
Thank you so much, Amit. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
coming
Sidhu.
on. Yeah,
Thank you so much,
and
bro.
guys, अरे भाई इन सर के गाने सुनो प्लीज. आज के जमाने में भी ये गाने इतने टचिंग और रेलेवेंट लगते हैं ना. इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग गाइस. प्लीज गो फॉलो अमित. प्लीज लिसन टू हिज वर्क.
Thank
ये
you
आजकल
so much.
बहुत
Yeah,
लाइव
thank
आ
you
रहे
so
हैं.
much. Thank you so much.
अरे he's coming on live so often. You guys have to listen to him. And to all of you, thank you so much for signing in today. Amit, thank you so much for coming. But guys, you know what to do. Like,
Thanks, Sidhu.
share, subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.